Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a tutorial about Ninja Gaiden 2 Black guys. And in this tutorial I'm going to share with you that how actually I got a copy of the game for free guys. So you can do this in any platform as well. So if you want to learn how to do it, then watch the video until the end guys. I'm going to share all the steps I did for myself so you can learn it also how to do it and get it on your platform that you are playing or device that you are playing, okay? So let's continue immediately this tutorial right now. I will just need to turn the camera in the other side to explain everything you need to know. So as you can see guys, I have right in front of you my iPhone. I suggest also you to click a smartphone because you're gonna need it in order to get a copy of the game. So basically it doesn't matter the device which you are using. I'm just using iPhone because it's what I use, but if you have also Android device, it's totally fine because the steps are going to be the same. We're going to get a game code guys which you can redeem after the game in any platform that you are playing, okay? So I'm going to show you step by step how I did it mine. So I got my code by SMS, by text practically, and if you're going to do it all as well the same, it's going to look like this, I presume, in the text as well. It says congratulations, task has been completed successfully. This is the game code, which is one-time use. I already did it, and it says is your Ninja Gaiden 2 Black game code from Wish Coupon. So basically I went to this site. I'm just going to click on it and also show you the rest of the steps, what you have to do. So once you're going to enter, you have a lot of other things you can check later guys. I'm just going to use the searching bar here and type the name, okay? And then down below you're going to have different platforms. As you can see, for the whole platforms guys, the steps are the same. So you just need to choose which one you are playing, okay? So I'm just going to continue at PC5 since I did this one for myself, and then unlock the code. You just need to wait a couple of seconds so the whole circuit will get complete until the end. This is to check the validity of the coupons guys, and once it's going to be done until the end guys, it's going to redirect you to another page when it's completed to complete a little task in order to unlock the code. So what you have to do guys, you just need to read the instructions. It's very simple to do it. Anyway, I'm going to explain to you as well. So it says here to download the complete 2 apps below to unlock Ninja Gaiden 2 Black game code, and down below it says after completing the task, enter your phone number or email above to receive the code. So basically, as you saw with me, I got it by text because I put my phone number, all right? But if you want, you can put also your email, depends on you how you want to do it, okay? So down below guys, you're gonna have this list of the apps. Different countries can have different apps, so it doesn't matter. It doesn't mean that you have to have the same as me, first of all. And the second one is that all the apps, as you can see guys, they are for free. You don't have to pay anything, all right? And all the apps are from App Store or Play Store, which it means that they are from official stores. You don't have to do anything outside official stores guys. So what you have to do guys, you just need to choose 2 list of apps, read the instructions. Every app have different instructions so you can complete correctly. You don't have any problem. And once you're going to choose it, try to find which is the easiest one so you don't lose too much time as well. And you just need to press on it guys. For example, I did this, I'm going to continue with this bingo games. This is what I did, and I did the first one. I did this one. So this one is very simple. It says it's going to send you to App Store, and we need to search in the searching bar bingo games and just to find Game Point Bing guys, and it says just install the app and open. It took me like 1 minute, so press on it and just going to take me to App Store. If you're using Android, it's going to take you to Play Store as well, and it says here to type bingo games. Okay, I did it, and then I found it. Bingo tours, you can see bingo point, it's over here, and to me it shows open because I did it before, but practically if you're going to do this one, it's going to show you to download it and just to open it, the game, okay? So after I completed this one guys, all right, I did also the second one, which is Travel Town, as you can see right over here. If you go back to the site, okay, one more time back, and it says it shows here Travel Town and Game Point as well. Also Travel Town, I did the same steps, press on it. It shows again instruction what you have to do. This is a game, I have to complete a level, and then after I completed both of these guys, I just came here, put my phone number, all right? If you're going to decide to take the code by SMS guys, make sure to keep in mind you should put your country code before. So it means that if you are from the United States, you put +1. If you are from United Kingdom, you put +44, and as well, okay, in which country you are from. So after I put my phone number, submitted, a couple of seconds after they verified that I did correctly, they just send me the code by text. So basically this is it guys, in short words. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to get in touch with you and try to help you with everything you need. See you in the next videos guys. Cheers.